Okay, well, hey guys, it's Bray.
Here's a close-up.
No conceit, no conceit. Okay, so, yeah, it's Bray, Smith.
And my name is... Hold up. I have, what's that one thing where, like you forget things like that? Like, oh, who are you again?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. Where am I? Okay, I'm just like, but, who am I?
Yeah, this is Nene, everybody.
No, that's not my real name. That's my nickname. My real name is, Natalie. Yes, my real name is Natalie. But you can call me Nene.
But we're eating a big bag of Cheetos.
And
delicious.
life lesson: do not smoke, kids. Okay, you are too young, and it is going to kill you. And you're going to be on your deathbed, and I'm gonna be like, I told you so. Told you so. Yeah, so as you can see, we're in our pajamas.
Yeah, we got robes on. These Cheeto Puffs are the best. So, how was your day today, Natalie?
Excuse me, can't see you on camera. Oh.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, I'm not spotlighting that.
Excuse me. Don't mind this little rack. Don't mind this little racketing. Little piece of trash. Don't like the racketing piece of trash.
No, you know me.
Where'd Cheeto go?
What'd I do? Okay.
You idiot.
Shut up.
It's me.
But I'm taking over, okay? I'm taking over. Hi, Mrs. Hire, and the weather for tomorrow is sunny. With a little bit of thunder.
Oh, shut up.
Tyler.
What did you do?
Oh, the camera can't see it anyway.
Sorry about that, guys.
Don't put me on camera, pick up the Cheetos. Ouch!
Oh, shut up.
What do you want me to do with them?
Well, she's picking up Cheetos, guys.
Got me. Dirt, don't hurt. Dirt, don't hurt.
Sorry about that racking nose because of this demon right here.
Can't everybody see my halo? I mean, like, it's there. Halo. Yeah, but I'm the show's cousin.
Woo!
Okay, seriously, let's try. Get my spotlight. Okay,
Spotlight, excuse.
I'm on the internet.
No, I'm on the internet. I've been on the internet my whole life.
But, so, seriously, now let's get down to business for real.
Let's see our new outfits. So, let's show them our new outfits.
New outfits. I don't know.
Wait, no, sorry, Megan. Let's do that. Business.
But, so, life lesson. If you can't do the crime, I got the mixed up. If you can't do the time, don't do the crime. Yeah, it works. Yeah. Okay.
Can I get it?
Okay, let's make a new handshake.
Use this hand.
I'm not looking. Oh yeah. Yeah. No, wait. Okay, there we go.
Okay, hold on.
That's what me and Jordan do all the time.
It's clean.
Good. Ooh, girl, I should have brought my hand sometimes. No offense. Okay, there. Okay. Let's do this hand, please. Okay, there we go.
That's
No. How about we fall back? Okay, ready? Okay, we gotta do it for real. Let me use it right here. Okay. Good. Don't think we're mentally challenged because we're not.
We're not stupid. We're just having fun.
We're not being silly. You can't really see my face. Get a close up.
Oh yeah.
There, we know what you look like.
Okay, guys, we have to go. Sorry.
Hold on,